So this is really going to come in handy when I make my custom seat. I think now that this is gone and it sits a little bit lower, I might come up with a different way of mounting the seat. I'm thinking maybe putting a little bracket in the middle, because the airbox is going to be gone. So once I take the side covers off, I'll have all this space underneath, so I can just reach underneath and put like a little wing nut or something. That's cool, I'm happy with that. So now that I've cut everything off the bike that I want to cut off, it's time to spray paint the frame. So I'm going to do my best to mask off anything that I don't want to paint, and then also try my best to clean all the dirty parts. Alright, so I removed some bits and bobs from the frame. This is the top of the handlebars. It's over here, which I'm going to repaint. And all of these bits and bobs is what holds the speedo and the tacho. I just realized you guys probably haven't seen this yet. I spent like a good week just working on this. I recorded a whole bunch of stuff, but I don't think I ever uploaded it. So here's a quick montage of the hard work that I put into this stupid little frame. Alright, so in regards to the frame, look, it's not a gas tank. I'm not going to spend too much time and effort on it. What I'm prioritizing is really the visible parts. So everything from basically the engine that way onwards. I'm not going to worry too much about the swing arm, but I mean, I'll get what I can get. We'll see. I'll try my best to mask everything off. I don't want to get any black on the engine though, so yeah, it's just going to be just so that it can look a bit more clean from a distance. Because right now there's a lot of like rust and pitting. It's not the nicest look. I'm not going to bother with this because that's covered by the gas tank. You're not going to see it. The handlebars I'm going to change out. So I think I'm going to switch it back to the classic chrome handlebars, but I'm going to leave that for another day. Alright, so I've taped off most of the parts. I've actually used tin foil around the cylindrical parts, and that was actually really good. It's a really nice and easy way to just mask things off, especially these things. I'm just going to be focusing on the frame from that point onwards, and then I'll mask this part and spray that. So I'll do it in 2 stages. Alright, I'm all done. I'm just gonna clean up and I'll show you guys the finished product. Alright guys, all cleaned up. Let's have a closer look. And you can see guys, it's come a long way. It looks a lot better. You can change so much about the bike, but just respraying the frame does so much. Like, you can see any rusty part just sort of stands out now because the frame looks so new and clean. So these are parts which I'm going to deal with next. And you can see how the frame used to look and then how it looks now with a fresh coat of paint. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering if you can spray paint your motorcycle frame without taking everything off and how to do it, the answer is yes, and you do it just by real ghetto style. Use some alfoil and some paper bags, just mask it off and just use your typical acrylic satin black spray paint. The finish looks pretty good. For a bit of context, if you're wondering why my bike is in this condition, it's completely stripped. I've taken most of the things off because I'm doing a massive rebuild of it. I actually have a playlist showcasing different parts of the build, so this video is actually part of that series. So if you're interested, make sure you check out that playlist. In regards to how long this is going to last, I'm not too sure. This is my first time doing it, but if you're interested to find out, please consider liking and subscribing to this channel. Follow along. And if it does end up chipping and flaking, I'll make sure to post a video about it. Awesome. Thank you so much guys. Peace.